Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you all shortcut keys of Microsoft Excel. Let's start with Ctrl+A. Ctrl is used to select all the contents of worksheet. Ctrl+B. B for bold. If you want to bold your content, simply press Ctrl+B. And if you want to unbold your content, again press Ctrl+B. Ctrl+C. If you want to copy your content of worksheet, select your content and then press Ctrl+C. Content is copied. And if you want to paste your copied content, press Ctrl+V. Ctrl+D. D for duplicate or fill down. Let's fill down. For example, I write 2 here. If you want fill this 2 in this cell, simply press Ctrl+D. It is also used for duplicate. For example, I have a picture. I want a duplicate of this picture. Simply press Ctrl+D. A copy of this picture is ready. Ctrl+F. If you have a very large Excel sheet and a huge amount of content, and you want to find a single number or text from your content, press Ctrl+F. A dialog box will open. In Find What, write here which you want find. And then click on Find All. Your data is find. Ctrl+G. G for go to specified cell. If you want to any cell of your sheet, press Ctrl+G. A dialog box will open. In Reference, type the reference of cell where you want to go. First name of column and then number of row. And click on OK. You are on specified cell of your sheet. Ctrl+H. H for replace. If you want to replace a number or text, you can use Ctrl+H. When you press Ctrl+H, a dialog box will open. There are 2 sections. First is Find What, and second is Replace With. In Find What, type anything which you want to replace. And in Replace With, type which you want right on the place of find text or number. And then click on Replace All. Content is replaced. Ctrl+K. If you want link a file with another file, you can use Ctrl+K. Suppose I want link this cell with another file. Select it and press Ctrl+K. When you press Ctrl+K, a dialog box will open with the name of Insert Hyperlink. Select a file which you want to link. And click OK. My cell is linked with another file. Ctrl+L or T. Suppose you have some data and you want to close it in the table. Select your data. And press Ctrl+L. A dialog box will open, where Excel is asking where is your data. We have already select the range of data. Press OK. You can see table is created with designing and also added filter. Ctrl+N. If you want to create a new sheet, simply press Ctrl+N. If you want close it, press Ctrl+W. Ctrl+P. P for print. If you want to print out your workbook, press Ctrl+P. Type the number of copies. And click on Print. Ctrl+F4. If you want to close workbook, press Ctrl+F4. Your workbook will be closed. Ctrl+F3. To remember the address of a cell is very difficult. If you want to assign a name of cell else of address, select a cell. Simply press Ctrl+F3. Click on New. And type the name of cell here. And click OK. Select another cell. And again press Ctrl+F3. Type name here. And click OK. Now it is easy to remember the name of cell. Now if you want some of these cells, select a cell where you want some. Press equals. Type name of first cell. And press plus. And type the name of second cell. Press enter. There is sum of cells. Hope so this video is also useful for you. Like this video and share it with others. Consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you.